Hello, children. I'm your English teacher, Ghazala Kamran, with your first English language lesson. I hope you are as eager to start as I am. Today's lesson is about noun and its kinds. Before we begin our topic, let's first revise the parts of speech. You have been learning about them over the years. Here I have a table of parts of speech. All the words in a sentence give a specific type of information. These words make the parts of speech. Look at this chart here. Number 1, noun, tells about names. For example, pencil, cat, work, notebook. Number 2, verb. It tells about actions or states. For example, get, come, cut, open, like. Number 3, adverb. Describe a verb like, silently, badly, really. Number 4, adjectives. Describe a noun such as small, big, good, well, blue. Number 5, pronoun. They replace a noun. For example, I, you, he, she, and it. Number 6, preposition. They link a noun to another word. For example, at, in, of, on, after, under. Number 7, conjunction. They join parts of sentence or two sentences like but, and, while, when. Number 8, interjection. Show exclamation or sudden emotion. For example, oh, hi, ouch, wow. Let's strengthen what we have revised about parts of speech with this exercise. State the part of speech of the underlined word in each sentence. Statement number 1. We watched a soccer match yesterday. Number 2. Their characters do not match. Number 3. Time your work well. Number 4. Do you realize what time it is? Number 5. They live in prosperity. Number 6. There was a live telecast of the concert. As you can see from the answers given after the sentences, even though the words are the same in some of the sentences, but depending on the type of information they are given, they are classified as noun, verb, or adjective. I hope you understand the parts of speech well. Now we are ready to start the topic of noun. A noun is a word which tells the name of a thing, place, animal, emotion, idea, situation, or a process. For example, Jeffrey, Korea, pen, New Year, dog, cat, elephant, garden, school, work, music, town, Manila, teacher, farmer, Bob, Sean, Michael, police officer, France, coffee, football, danger, happiness. The teacher told the children to stop chattering in class. Here, teacher, children, class are all nouns. John is good at French but weak at history. John, French, and history are nouns. There are various different kinds of nouns such as proper, collective, possessive, common, abstract, concrete, countable, and uncountable nouns. Now we are going to study about proper and common nouns. What is a proper noun? A proper noun is a name which belongs to an individual person or place. For example, Ghazala, Pakistan, Indus. A proper noun is always started with a capital letter, as we can see in the examples at the bottom. Pride and Prejudice, John Doe, the Eiffel Tower, Australian Outback. Graham is walking down the road. Graham is the name of a person. It is a proper noun. Paris is a large city in France. Paris and France are proper nouns. Now, let's see common nouns. Common noun is a name for person, place, thing, animal, and event in general, like cat, bone, school, street, teacher, plate. I like chocolate ice cream. Here, chocolate and ice cream are common nouns. The boy threw rocks in the pond. Boy, rocks, and pond are common nouns. I hope you will be able to do this exercise about common and proper nouns. You have to fill in the blanks with correct noun from the box. The nouns in the box are books, wallet, Kashmir Valley, wardrobe, silk, Iranian. Statement number 1 is, the expensive sari is made of the finest dash. Number 2. She married an dash businessman. Number 3. She forgot to take her dash in a hurry. Number 4. Reading dash is my favorite pastime. Number 5. The dash is renowned all over the world for its beauty. Number 6. She has a large number of dresses from all over the world in her dash. Have you found the answers? Let's check them now. The expensive sari is made of the finest silk. Number 2. She married an Iranian businessman. Number 3. She forgot to take her wallet in a hurry. Number 4. Reading books is my favorite pastime. Number 5. The Kashmir Valley is renowned all over the world for its beauty. Number 6. She has a large number of dresses from all over the world in her wardrobe. I hope with this practice you are clear about common and proper nouns. How about a quiz now? Can you give 2 examples of common noun? Now give 2 examples of proper noun. And the last question, the word hi is which part of the speech? What part of speech is the word hi? I'm sure all of you have found the right answer, and the answer to question number 3 is that hi is an adjective. Okay, now we are ready for the homework. Here are 2 exercises. One exercise is from your Understand and Communicate book from page 127. It's exercise number 2. And the second exercise is given here. In this exercise, some nouns are given. First, you have to write which kind of noun it is, and then you have to use the word in your sentence. Do both of these activities on foolscap sheet and submit your homework in the school office on Tuesday between 9 to 11 in the morning. This is the end of part 1 of this lesson. Stay indoors. Play your part in the fight against COVID-19. Keep social distancing and do study. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Till we meet in the second lesson, bye-bye.